Thank you. Thank you very much. It works.
What's the right pronunciation of your name? Evgeny something?
You can say Evgeny. That's it. And I will introduce myself.
I think we can start, so let me welcome to Evgeny. He will tell us something about the Portus.
Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome to my presentation. It will be about Portus. I have only 30 minutes, so I will try to be fast because I have short demo as well. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Evgeny. I was born in Russia. I work here in Czech Republic in Prague for a great company named SUSE. It's not funny. I'm senior OpenStack automation engineer. I specialize in Linux OpenStack containers. Also, I'm an active open source contributor, and from the beginning of this year, I'm Docker Prague Meetup co-organizer. So if you have some ideas for Docker talks, just drop me a mail. I will have slides with my contacts in the end of this presentation. So, who knows something about Portus? Yes, thank you. So this talk is not for you guys. So so what do we have now? We have Docker Hub. So by default, every user who uses Docker, when you run Docker pull, you're downloading your images from Docker Hub. If you're registered, you can also push your images in Docker Hub. They have beautiful interface. And for most of the users and even companies, that is really awesome. This is really okay. For other companies, it is not okay because they don't want to share their images, their secrets, and etc. So, they have Docker Registry, and Docker Registry just just a software which is like Docker Hub but without web interface, and you can have it somewhere in your local area naturally. So, it gives us, Docker Registry gives us API to allow an external authorization process, and here comes Portus. Portus is an open source authorization service as well as web interface over Docker Registry. It's 100% open source, so you can play with it. Portus implements the login procedure from the Docker Registry. Some highlights. First of all, LDAP integration. So right now, if in your company you have LDAP, you can use Portus. Portus will be acting like a proxy server between LDAP and Docker Registry. In the beginning, it should copy some information from LDAP to perform all the interaction with the registry. Another highlight is security. So with the new version of Docker Registry, we have permission that we can create, for example, teams, users, and you can say that, for example, this team can only pull these images and another team can see them as well. So we have viewers, contributors, and owners in Portus. So viewers can only pull images, contributors can pull and push images, and owners is the same like contributors, but they can also create teams and namespaces for images. Another cool feature is search. So you can just open the Portus in your web browser and search for your favorite images. Another cool feature is audit. So by default, if you are administrator in Portus, you can see every actions that user did. If you're just an ordinary user, you can see that your teammates did and what was your actions. And there's a lot of other features. You can see them on the Portus website as well. How it works. So now if you have Portus and you have registry, you're asking that you want to do some operation on your Docker registry. Your Docker registry says that you need to provide a proof. You are going to Portus and say that I want to I request permission to do some operation on the Docker registry. Portus said yes, you can do that. And you show this certificate to the Docker registry, and Docker registry allows you to do some operation. So yeah, how can you deploy Portus? There is the packages on our website on OpenSUSE. Then Docker Hub has Portus image. Another setup, you can go to this link, and there will be some guides to how to use Portus in Vagrant, in Docker Compose, or bare metal environment. Yeah, it was fast. So I will show you Portus in action. Is it visible? Yeah. Okay. Yep. So Portus web page. First of all, we need to create an administrator account. So let's say that the name will be Evgeny. Have this great email, and I need to create a password. Please. Okay. So the name of the registry, the host name. In my case, it will be. I will not use SSL because I'm using just a demo, and I don't want to deal with SSL for this demo. By the way, it runs in my container in Docker Compose environment. So we have dashboard here, and there's no activities. Let's push some images. Yeah, I have BusyBox and Alpine. They are really small, so it will be fast. So let's tag Alpine, for example. Then we need to put the name of the user and the name of the package. Then we can push this image to our registry. I need to log in first. Credentials are the same as when you create this admin user on Portus web interface. So now I can push my image. Yeah. Now let's see how fast it will be. We should see this image in Portus web interface. Maybe. Maybe someone has some questions. Meanwhile, why it doesn't work, right?
Is this fast?
No. Thank you, sir. No. It should be fast, but I don't know why it's acting like this. Maybe because it's demo, as always. Yes?
Why are you using I3 on the bottom line instead of the top line?
Sorry?
Why is your bar on the bottom?
I like it.
Combination to I3.
I like it. I like it this way. No.
Does it answer your question?
Yeah, the question was why are you using i3 bar, what? i3 what? Bar in the, yeah, because I like it like this. Yeah. And it should be in the app. Haha, you see? We have it. So, I can, we can see that I have this image in Portus. I can star it, for example. I can write some comments. Yes, my i3 bar in the bottom. Yeah. So, I'm an administrator. I can see still recent activities. Well, I think it will refresh in some time and I will see some activities here. But if you have some more users, I think it will be faster. Okay, so let's create another user. Just a user. What's your name, by the way?
Sebastian.
I'm sorry, I don't get it. It will be Roman. Okay. Ottoman. So Roman is. Yes.
The second password is one character long, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, the second password was one character longer than the first one.
Sharp eyes.
That's a test.
Yeah. So user Roman is just a user, not administrator, so he can't see my image because I push it to my personal namespace. So let's push some image for user Roman. Let's first log in as Roman to our registry. And let's push, let's tag, I have busybox, I think, image. And do we have time for another question, I think? Yes, we have time for another question. Yes.
You can thank me later.
Yes.
So, in which files do you have the information regarding the logins and the credentials you use to connect to the Portus instance?
It's in database. Portus use MySQL database.
So, right now there's a database running.
Yeah, and I think something wrong with it. Oh, I think because of demo. Yeah, we still have time. Other questions? Why it's so slow? It's not a question. Yes?
Can we set up a mirror of a different registry in Portus?
Can we?
Set up a mirror of a different registry, say Docker Hub?
Yes. No, for Docker Hub, no. No. Okay. Yeah. Roman can see only his BusyBox image and not my Alpine that I pushed. So, yeah. And if I will log in as administrator, I will see both of images, I think. As an administrator, we can create another groups, another teams, and every team will have has namespace. Namespace is basically what the hell.
They're not doing anything correct.
The name is incorrect.
There's a link back to my password.
Thank you. I'm not. Thank you, sir. I can see Roman, BusyBox, and my Alpine as administrator. Yeah. So every user, when you create a new user, every user has access to basic namespace, which you can see here. It's 172 and blah blah, and the name of the user. If it will be from LDAP, it will be the same. So it will be like name of the user from the LDAP. Teams. By default, there is no team, but you can create any team. And for any team, you can create as well namespace. From admin, you can see that you have one registry, but you can have more of them, but not Docker Hub. Not Docker Hub. Yeah, thanks. How many users do you have? How many teams do you have? And how many namespaces? Well, an activity. Let's show by. Yeah. That's it, I think. Questions, please. Yes.
How works the position against LDAP?
Yes.
Can you fetch, for example, group membership by the teams from
From
LDAP?
LDAP, no. The question was, can we fetch groups from LDAP? No, we can't. Only users. Yes.
Can you have more than one admin?
Yes, you can. Question was, can you have more than one administrator? Yes, you can.
And I guess the admin has access to everything.
Admin has access to everything, yes. Yes.
Does Portus support an authenticated pool? Or do I have to log in every time?
Does Portus support authentication?
Authenticated pool. So just overflow without logging.
No. If you the question was, do we always need to log in to log into Docker to register, right? No, because by default with Docker, if you push just Docker login, I think you will log into Docker Hub by default.
Well, I can log into custom registry. That's not a problem.
If you,
Like you have shown.
but I need to paste like the name of registry,
Some
right?
images private and some totally public.
Mm-hmm.
So anybody who pull it by the name, pull it from your registry.
Mhm.
Apparently it doesn't support. Good,
Yeah.
okay, that's just my question.
Does it show whether the image was signed or something like that?
The question was, does it show when image was signed or?
Or something like that, or whether it will work in the future with signing images?
Not sure about that. I can see that it showed only the tag of the image, name of the image and tag at this moment, yeah, from the web interface. Yes.
Can you use some keys instead of password?
The question was, can we use keys instead of passwords? What kind of keys?
I mean, like SSH key.
SSH key? No, we can't.
Any other kinds of authentication? Or is it just the login and password?
The question was, are we supporting any other kinds of authentication? No, we have only LDAP and just a new password.
Can they be combined? I mean, if I have off, then can I log in with normal admin account?
So question was, can we combine login account with LDAP? Correct? Yes, we can. Yes.
I mean, how many services it consists?
Let's see. So it has registry, Portus web, which is Corona, which is synchronization. It has web interface. It has MariaDB. So we can try. Yes.
Features which you are planning for the nearest future.
The question was, what kind of plans do we have for future, right? For Portus. So you can go to the website and thank you. You can go to the website and the page of the future plans for Portus.
Why is it so huge? 900 megs.
You don't like it, right?
No.
Okay. I don't care. No, so I think that's it. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for something. Thank you very much. It was helpful. I don't know why. For my demo, I had the same talk like 2 days ago. Demo was okay. I don't know.
Женя, хорошая презентация, мне понравилась. Хотел тебя спросить, где можно посчитать, что все делает с контейнером, как поучаствовать и что они вообще?
У нас есть страница. Сейчас подожди.
Не спеши, давай лучше тогда на email напишу.
Antonio, do you have the live demo?
Ну или просто ты мне скинешь.
Live demo.
Фамилия?
I recorded it and it's on YouTube.
Ну, то есть много вообще?
I wouldn't trust my laptop or the network.
Because of just
То есть
showing your live, just 20 minutes, so if you can set live demo and grab it.
у нас есть
I'll be fast.
больше в комьюнити, посмотреть, что другим как действительно.
So the demo should take just 1 minute. It's not that long. Right.
It was just finished because of the live demo.
Yeah. It's not a live demo, so it's recorded. There shouldn't be any issue. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So we can turn in
Yeah. Can I have a here, yeah.
I need to switch to VGA.
Is that my... Oh, yeah.
And meanwhile, you can copy.
I think I'm fine without this.
I think the minimal you can copy. We have 7 minutes the presentation to USB, so they can be published on the.
All right. Do you need this right now, or can I do it afterwards? All right.
Do it right now. We have the
Because I
time.
have to go to the restroom.
Okay.
All right. I'll be back in a minute.
Microphone is here, but the radio is just 1.5 meters.
All
so.
right.
So then don't forget to repeat the question.
Right. I'll do that.